you do, Carla?
I need you a little bit because I know you're not going to hurt. You get so little tiny. That's all you get. Cry baby. You gonna change his diaper?
Oh no, that's your.
You gonna change his diaper?
That's your son.
Bro, he stinks. You're good at this and you have no experience.
That's why it's time for you to learn.
No.
Yes. I gave you the baby, which means that you.
Your child won't stop burping. It's kind of weird. Rise and grind. Oh, you love it. Oh. You didn't even come out the same color as us. The Punnett square line.
Well, I mean, his nose and his little bottoms of his foots.
Yeah.
Sweet cream.
Bro. I think your baby needs to go to the doctor because he won't stop burping, bro. What'd you give him?
I didn't give him anything. You're the one who gave him coffee. You should burp him.
Oh, come here, Mo Magic. Oh, look at him. How you hold the boy. There we go. You want to get burped? Look at him. He's so cute. Boy.
That was a big burp, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh, what
No
you
more
did?
coffee for him. Sorry, Mo. Can't have any more coffee. No more coffee.
I think he's bleeding on my hand. Oh no. Oh my god.
It's fluffy.
Keep
Your
burping.
poop is fluffy.
No. Okay, look. You want your baby back? Cause you said you gave me the baby, right? So and technically it was yours.
No.
Technically it was yours. You gave me.
It's
it was
yours.
in possession of me.
And once you give something over, it is now no longer.
It was in possession of
it's
you.
yours
You see the
forever.
birth certificate? It says Monique and Rissy. Look. I'm putting your son down because he. Oh my God! Stop. He need to go to the hospital.
Yeah, well, you gonna take it?
Come on. Sit your ass down, bro.
I done did the hard part and I gave you the baby.
Oh my God, bro. Oh my God.
Yes,
He's tripping.
burping.
Shake it off. Okay, nothing is working. Your son is just. Okay.
No.
Ooh, him got gas.
Yeah, get it all out, buddy.
Ooh.
All out. Ooh, that shit stank.
You gave him shrimp, didn't you? You gave him shrimp. You know there's no meat allowed in this house, girl. Turkey. It was that hair. I see you sleeping here, bro.
Ooh, he's throwing up. He's throwing up.
Oh, you can put that up. I'm
Here,
not.
you want it.
Oh.
Here, take him. Oh, you gonna hold him by his head? Wow.
Y'all don't see that. Look. Don't be smiling. He's smiling like ain't nothing going on. Look at